To get Dragon Fist gloves in once. Follow this step-by-step guide. First, ensure you have met the prerequisite requirements, which include completing the main storyline and reaching a certain level. Next, navigate to the specific location where the gloves can be obtained. This is usually in a high-level dungeon or a special event area. You will need to gather a set of specific items required to craft or unlock the gloves. These items can be obtained through various means such as defeating certain enemies, completing side quests, or purchasing them from in-game vendors. Once you have all the necessary items, follow the in-game instructions to craft or unlock the Dragon Fist gloves. This may involve interacting with a specific NPC, using a crafting table, or solving a puzzle. It is essential to note that the availability of the gloves may be time-limited, so it is crucial to stay up to date with the in-game events and announcements to avoid missing the opportunity to obtain them. In addition, consider joining a guild or group of players who are also working towards getting the gloves, as this can provide access to additional resources, advice, and support. By following these steps and staying focused, you should be able to get the Dragon Fist gloves in once, which will provide you with a significant boost to your in-game progress and abilities.